لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وإذ أخذنا ميثاق بني إسرائيل لا تعبدون إلا الله. Translation: and remember when we took the commitment from the children of Israel that you do not worship except Allah alone. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that he had taken a strong oath, a promise from Bani Israel. And there are several promises mentioned in this ayah. And the first one is La ta'buduna illallah, that you do not worship except Allah alone. This is the foundation of Islam. And this is the same message, same order given to all the prophets and in all the Sharias. This was the basic foundations of Islam. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Anbiya, translation, it's ayah number 25, translation, and we sent no messenger before you except that we revealed to him that there is no God but me, that is Allah. So worship me alone. So Tawheed is the foundation of Islam for all the prophets. After this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا وَذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينَ. And be good to your parents and with relatives and to orphans and to the needy poor. Right after the Allah, right after the commandment to worship Allah, Allah has mentioned the parents here. And it is mentioned on multiple occasions in Quran that after Allah, right after Allah, Allah has ordered to be good with the parents. So to be good with the parents is supremely important in Islam. And we must understand that. And after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that be good to your relatives. And then with the orphans. And then with the poor and needy. So we should remember this very clearly in our minds that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned these groups in this ayah, and we should remember that we have to pay their we have to pay due respect and pay their rights to them. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَقُولُوا لِلنَّاسِ حُسْنًا وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, and speak good to the people with kind words, and establish salah, praying regularly, and pay zakah, that is charity. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving a general commandment here when he's saying that وَقُولُوا لِلنَّاسِ حُسْنًا, meaning that say good words to all the people, including Muslims or non-Muslims. So one aspect of this is to use the kind words. But a very important thing to understand that whatever we say the truth. We never tell a lie. Whatever we say is straight. We don't deceive anyone. And then whatever we say should be inviting people to the goodness and away from the sins. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ordering for salah and for zakah. And this is ayah number 83 of Surah Al-Baqarah. And we have already studied twice before. So this is the third time the salah and the zakah is coming. So we can understand how important it is. And in the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, ثُمَّ تَوَلَّيْتُمْ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا مِّنْكُمْ وَأَنْتُمْ مُعْرِضُونَ. Then you turned away of promise, all except few of you, and you were refusing. Then most of them turned away, and this was a habit of the Bani Israel. Wa antum mu'ridun, and you are those people who turn away. So their ancestors did, and then the people of Jews did at that time, and even today they are doing it. Oh, Allah give us understanding of Quran. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.